Hi, hello, welcome to Nitinraj YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the demo of data lake project that I did. First let me open the GitHub. This is the GitHub repository of my project. The project name is data lake. This is half Python project and half Java project. Like here I have used Spring and Python. The Python why I have used is like to produce the mock data. So let me go through the overview, architecture overview of how I did the project. This project basically produces a series of event. Let me show you the event. This is the event file. These are the event which will be produced by the Python. I have a Python py producer. This will continuously produce the event file to the Kafka topic. Kafka will consume the topic. Like it will produce the these events to the Kafka topic. And I have a Spring project that will consume the events which is produced by the Python mock data, and those events will be stored in the AWS S3. From that S3 I'm just transforming that raw data into Parquet format by combining all the data. Like I have three types of events: order events, payment events, and user events. Three types of event. In silver, like this is, I'll consider this as a bronze, and silver I'll combine everything into a single table, like it's a aggregation table, and it's in the Parquet format. Gold, it's like a view, kind of a business logic I have written to transform those data to have as a dashboard or view, like order, how many orders we have completed in a month, in a week. Those kind of orders queries I have made. I have fully containerized this using Docker, and this automation, like this process I have automated using Apache Airflow. Let me go through like how I did this. First I'll just show how to start the project. If you scroll down below, I just given all the things like how to run the project. Before running the project you need a AWS account, basic account, and you need a users. Let me show you the things what you need. IAM. If you open IAM, here you will be getting your user. You just need to create one user. I created user Kafka S3. Here you will be getting the access key. You just need to paste the access key in the NV. Like here I just have my access key. Similarly you need to have your access key. After that, how to start the project, everything I have given clear steps, like how the output will be, how you need to verify the logs, and how the things will be present in the project. Let me quickly start the project by let me give Docker.ps. Let me zoom it. None of the Docker images are running. Let me start. I am inside Airflow. Let me go inside my data lake project. Now we are in data lake project. Docker compose up -d. Now it is starting. You can able to see all the things. I did all the setup already, but if you want to run my project, you just need to clone this repository, and here I have given a step-by-step process to start the project. Let me show you quickly. Now we can check how what are the images are running. Docker -8. Yeah, now we can able to see Kafka, Zookeeper, and Spring consumer and Python producers are up and running. Now let me monitor the logs for Spring. Docker logs -f Spring consumer. Yeah, here first you need to verify this thing. Let me show you the project. IntelliJ, I have the Spring consumer. Here S3 path writer. I have this thing. If any issue with the AWS, I'll be getting this exception. Okay, let me verify. I don't have this. See, and I don't have this, no access to the bucket, and I have a AWS access. Okay, for the bucket, e-commerce event process. This is my S3 bucket name. Here, once 5 events got per topic, it will be push this thing to the S3. Okay, flushed 5 events to S3, flushed 5 events to S3. Let me stop and show you the Python logs. Docker ps sorry, my bad. Docker logs -f Python producer. Here after some time, like we have enough events, we can stop the Python producer. We don't need continuous, we need, but now for demo I don't need. I'll just stop this, docker stop Python producer. We have enough event produced. Okay, now our data were produced and our this topic like Kafka, our Spring has consumed from the Kafka topic. Now our work is to write this into S3. For that, I have written everything on the crawler. Let me show you the crawler. AWS Glue. Here I have the crawler jobs defined. What are the things I need to do? See bronze even crawler. It will just crawl the data and write it into the S3. Everything automated using Apache Airflow. Let me start Apache Airflow. CD Airflow. Now Docker compose my -file Docker compose .airflow.yaml up -d. Now it is starting the Airflow job. Earlier you can able to see only 4 of the images were running. Now let me check what are the images are running. Yeah, now you can able to see web server, scheduler, init, UI, everything is running, up and running, healthy. Now what I need to do now, like we need to create a user. For that I have a Docker command. It's just this one is also available over there, like in the Git repository. It is creating a one separate user, admin user kind of thing. It will be creating. Now we can visit the UI. 8080 we need to visit localhost 8080. See, now I have a admin credential, admin sign in. Yeah, here you can able to see my DAG, like directed acyclic graph. If you go inside this graph, you can able to see a series of steps. First it will write the data into S3, then create a silver table, then write a silver crawler, maintain the silver crawler to load it into Athena, and it will create a order, payment, user detail, like activity summary, all the tables. Let me start this DAG. Trigger DAG. Yeah, now we can able to see the logs graph. This one is running. If you click on logs, you can able to see the logs. What it is showing, crawler is already running. Okay, it has to try 2 times. I have retry mechanism. First time it has triggered the crawler, pre-task execution has been executed. Now if we go to crawler, we can able to see crawler is running. Let me show you the AWS Glue. Where is my crawler? First step will be bronze event crawler. See, it is running. It has been started. See, running. There you can able to monitor the logs. DAG, graph, run bronze crawler, and logs. Waiting for completion. Like crawler is running. It is waiting for the completion of the crawler. Waiting for it to complete. We can wait for few minutes. It will be completed in minutes. Before that, yeah, I'll just show you the S3 structure. S3. Here, this is my event bronze S3. It has all the events. See, topic, order event, payment event, user event. It will read from all this topic and store it in this S3 in the topic wise manner. And here I just structured it using date wise manner. Today is 30. We can go inside this and check hour wise. It will be storing the JSON, like order event JSON. Hour wise it will be storing the data. Now let me check the bronze. It will be refreshing in a very 15 seconds. If you do refresh as well, you can able to see crawler is already running, waiting for it to complete. Here you can see how many steps total we were having. This one will run for the bronze crawler. It will take little bit time. Rest all the things will be in a very quick manner. Here we can able to see what is the code we have written for it. See, now this is completed. I can able to show you. See, success. If you go there, log. It should be like, but it is completed. It should show the current logs right now. Post execution task. One downstream task scheduled from below, like it has completed a task. Now we can check Athena operator. Second one is from Athena operator. If you see its logs, see, this is the table creation of a silver. I just add this in the code script. I have created the script. This is the bronze crawler and this is the silver city crawler I have created to aggregate all these things. See, this is completed. Now we can check this one. This logs, we can able to see this is completed post execution task. Now we can check our data in the here silver table, silver S3 bucket as well. Your event type here, it will be segregated based on the type of order cancel, completed, created, payment, everything will be created as per this. We can check it in the Athena as well, like, because everything will be running as a let me show you. Yeah, this is, first we will select the table e-commerce silver. This is the only single table I have in the silver one. Let me run this. I'm running this query, completed. See, login type, everything. It's a one single table, aggregation of order, payment and the user. Okay, and now we can check the gold is completed or not. Run silver crawler graph. It's running. We can check the logs. Waiting for AWS blue crawler. We can able to check the blue crawler. Sorry. Yeah, we can check in the AWS blue crawler. And now silver is running. It's running and completed. Now we can able to see that. And here the database also, let me show you. This is the database I have schema which I have for gold, silver and bronze. These are the things I have for the ETL job. Now we can check it in the DAG whether this step is completed or not. In the graph we can able to clearly see like whether these are done or not. Yeah, let me go through the project structure as well, like for now. Yeah, this is a complete project. Airflow things will be here, and the data lake as a, this is the Spring one, like it will consume the data from the Python, the Kafka topic, and push it to the S3. Those code has been written here. Metabase. Here I have used a Metabase to show the output, like final display for this. And this producer as a Python producer. Everything is Dockerized here. And I have shown you the Python one. Let me show you the data lake Spring one. Yeah, here I just opened the Spring project alone. This is my event consumer, Kafka listener from the order events topic, payment events topic, user events topic. It is as simple as that, like it will just read data from this Kafka topic and push it to the S3. Here I just have the S3 config, like which region and those things. I have it in the my Docker YAML file. Where is my bucket is present, those things config will be here, and path resolver, which is the path, like how I am going to save, like I am going to save my file in the date format, and then inside that hover format I have shown you the output in the S3. And here in the resolve, like topic wise, silver you can able to see the topic, like topic wise I have the data. And this is the S3 writer service which will write the data to the S3. So this is post construct. Before everything it will check whether my S3 connection is fine or not. If S3 connection has any error, it will show no access to the bucket. And here I have the warn level as a, like not all the logs will be visible, only whatever the needed logs, those will be visible. Yeah, this is the main method, like it will be writing my data to the S3. and flush all will be having the data over there in the S3. Now we can check. Now it is completed. Silver crawler is completed. And let me show you the graph. This is done. We can check these logs. Post execution task. Downstream, like all the things have been completed. See, trigger rule. Now we can check in Athena, like our data has came or not. Here Athena. This is on star from. This is from bronze. We can check it in gold. The order daily summary we can check. Select count star from order daily summary. I'll just run this query. It will be showing how much daily summary data has been visible. Now it's time to start. Like now all of our cron jobs, like the DAG has been completed. Now we can start the Metabase. Go to terminal. Now you need to go inside Metabase Docker+AWS. Now you can able to see only Airflow and this Python jobs were running. Now we can start let me clear this. Docker compose -file Docker compose metabase.yaml up -d. It is running the Metabase object requested platform. Now Docker+AWS. Now you can able to see Metabase image also has been started up and running for 8 seconds. This has been, I have exported this port to 3000. Now we can, in the UI, we can go to localhost 3000. Yeah, now Metabase UI is loading. Here using this Metabase you can expose your data in any kind of format. First we need to connect this to the S3. From S3 it will be having the database connection and everything. From there it will be creating the chart, whatever the kind of view will be. I'll just go through how we need to do this thing. This one I'll add later and finish. Take me to Metabase. Here in the admin setting you can connect to your database. Admin settings. Here add a database. Our database would be Amazon Athena. This one will be data lake. Here my direction will be wait. I have this connected in other user. I'll just show you how it is. Localhost 3000. See, this Metabase I have already connected. I'll just show you how it has been done. Our analytics, account settings. See, Amazon Athena. Here I already have the data, that's why I just came here. These are the details you need to give, and access key and secret key. I'll be having this. And display name, I'll have this as a data lake project. And if you save, it will be connecting to our AWS Athena using this access key and the secret key. Explore sample data. See, it has given us some sample basic dashboard kind of thing using our data. Here if you click on browse data lake project, here I'll be having whatever the database I have created, all the thing, bronze, gold and silver, all the things will be having here. We'll just create a personal collection. So here it just created a sample event, sample dashboard using this event. You can create a event according to whatever you want, like the query. Here if you want to edit this, now we can edit this. See, wait, let me show you one time. Last 30 days. If you save this, it will be having this events. See it. Now we can edit this dashboard. We can add any other questions as well, even data. It will be having some sample set of data. You can add any specific query if you want. Okay, one time quarter of the year, all the dashboard it will be showing it for you. Like if you see automatically silver, it is taking the event from silver. Basically we don't need to take event from silver, we need event from what you say gold. That's why we have a gold table. Here I can add a question, cancel, discard changes, edit dashboard, new. You can have a question, data lake, gold, order daily details. You can add a question here, add a filter, total order you can have, total how many orders you have for. You can just basically customize this like according to your view, progress area, like how much order I have done. If you save this as this view and save, done. If you can give done, and our analytics in this dashboard. This is the dashboard now. We can go to this dashboard, edit, add. See, this is the one which we have created from the silver. We can add it over here. We can customize this however we want. I have given you everything in the project, like whatever I have created. So this is the dashboard which I have created. This project which has every steps in clear manner. You can go through and give it a comments or give it a comments like that how I can improve this project. Thanks for watching. Thank you.